Atmospheric scientists, including meteorologists. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Atmospheric scientists study the weather and climate. Work environment. Most atmospheric scientists operate in weather stations, offices, or laboratories, which are all located indoors. Occasionally, they do field work, which means working outdoors to examine the weather. During weather emergencies, certain atmospheric scientists may have to work harder and longer. How to become one? Atmospheric scientists need a bachelor's degree in atmospheric science or a closely related field for most positions. A master's degree or a Ph.D. is typically required for research. Salary. Median annual wage for atmospheric scientists, including meteorologists, is $95,380. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of atmospheric scientists, including meteorologists, is expected to expand by 6%, faster than the average for all occupations. The best job prospects for atmospheric scientists will be in private industry. Thanks for watching. To get the most up-to-date career and educational videos, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.